Chef Richmond Fowler II was a silver medalist at this year's Taste of the Caribbean competition in Miami, Florida. But the chef, who specializes in seafood, said he brought back much more than a silver medal.
So in this competition, learning a lot of different techniques that you might not see back at home or you might not read in magazines, and then it goes as well as with bartending, because being a chef, you have to know how to pair foods with liquids. So at this competition, you learn a wide variety of different drinks that you never heard about. So you learn a lot that you could take back home and incorporate in the Bahamian cuisine and transform it to something new.
The Bahamas national culinary team competed against top chefs from 9 other Caribbean countries. The Bahamian chef served up traditional Bahamian dishes, but with a twist. Fowler's creations wowed the judges in the seafood competition.
The dish I prepared, I call it Tranquilities of the Sea. It is composed of a grilled piece of snapper sitting on top of a tropical fruit relish, which has pineapple, mango, banana, purple onion, a seafood mousse, which I then transformed into a seafood lollipop, crab cake, and a cabbage cornet.
Taste of the Caribbean, in its 21st year, is held through the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association. For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Nakia DeVoe.